Ready to make your Instagram stories pop directly from your computer? Let's dive in. First, the website approach. Open your web browser, head to Instagram.com, and log in. If you're not already, look for the plus sign to create a new post. Clicking that plus sign opens up the upload process. Slightly different but straightforward. Upload your photo or video by selecting it from your computer file. Zoom, fit Euro, make it look just right. Add your creative flair, text, stickers, location tags, and anything else you typically add to your stories on your phone is all fair game here. When ready, tap share, and your story is live. Make sure you select the correct profile. Not feeling limited by the website? Third-party apps offer another route. Search for apps like Later or Buffer Euro. Many are designed specifically for scheduling and crafting Instagram stories directly from your PC. Once logged into Instagram through your chosen app, upload your content, add your creative touches, and schedule it for the perfect time. This can save you time and planning effort. Whether it's the website or a third-party app, your computer puts the power to create and share Instagram stories at your fingertips. Experiment, find your flow, and let your creativity soar.